Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations. This dictation is for the aspirants who are preparing for SSC Stenographer 2025 Grade C exam. Ready? Without any stop? Start. I must congratulate you on maintaining high academic standards in your university. It has been said in certain quarters that for the last few years some of our universities have relaxed their standards. I cannot say how far it would be correct to say so, but if there is that much truth in it, this trend is to be deplored and discouraged because universities must always look ahead and after imparting education must of necessity be upright, even strict in the matter of conferring degrees, distinctions, or honors. You have done the right thing in sticking to this ideal from the very beginning. I am one with you that in order to be fully useful to the people for whom a university serves, it ought to be a teaching body. I am glad that in your planning you have kept this point in view. I hope the building for which you have been good enough to invite me to open today marks the beginning of your undertaking in that direction. Apart from imparting education, which is after all the real aim of a university, it will also help you to coordinate and centralize your academic activities. What has particularly pleased me in the Vice Chancellor's address is his reference to the fact that your university is likely to provide a greater meeting place for the different racial and linguistic groups inhabiting Assam. My own view is that a university, besides being a seat of learning, should also be a center of real cultural activity for the mixing of people professing different faiths, speaking different tongues, and having different customs and traditions. No other place can be more suitable than a university. This is because a university is singularly free from any kind of bias and the din and turmoil of politics. It provides an ideal atmosphere for all people to come close together and understand each other. I need hardly point out that you will be rendering a great service not only to your state but to the whole of India. If you keep this objective before you, you will have rendered a great service to the nation if by sticking to your resolve you succeed in bringing all these groups together by providing them equal opportunities, thereby promoting mutual understanding and the good of all. I am thankful to the Vice Chancellor for having invited me to open this building. After all, books can give only a part of the knowledge which is desirable for man to acquire. Far more than books, it is the experience, the contexts, and the environments which go to constitute an individual's knowledge. Cinema can be a great help in acquiring knowledge from all these different sources because it can extend to incredible limits the field of our visual and auditory experience. It is a truism that things which we see with our own eyes influence us far more than things which we hear from others' mouth. Things which we see on the screen may not be leaving as lasting an impression on us as things which we see in our actual life, but nevertheless, scenes of the screen are more effective than description read in print or heard through ears. As for recreation, it is also of many kinds. There is recreation which, besides being entertaining, is also educative. There can also be something which is recreative but morally injurious. I cannot claim to have seen many films. Actually, I have not had many occasions to see them. But I am told by many a friend that quite a number of our films belong to the latter category, and that far from being a genuine source of recreation or education, they only stimulate sensuousness. Much films have a particularly bad effect on younger minds. Maybe that such films are more popular than others. It is also possible that such films may be more preying. It might be said by some that films are produced on a commercial basis and therefore the producers have to produce only what is in demand. It may also be said that the principal function of the cinema is to provide entertainment, in which case producers have to be guided by popular taste. All these good points might be put for the sake of argument, but I would like to point out to those connected with cinema industry that if they want to render real service to the public, and I do believe it should be their ideal, all these arguments should be of little consequence to them. At any rate, these are secondary considerations. The primary consideration must be service of the people, no interests of those who are sought to be served. I would request film producers to think over this and ask themselves over. सो ये हमारी 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस फॉर एसएससी स्टेनोग्राफर एग्जाम.